Hello everyone, it's Fiske, and it's starting to look like Christmas even though it's November. So we're going to a wonderful city, Sandviken, to check a good fishing shop. And here we are, the real fishing store. Can you see the analogy? Real. So today they have super huge discounts, 30 to 50% off for all things assortment you can find in the shop. So we actually came to buy the boots. All of these, they are from the Swedish brand Polyver, and they can withstand negative 40 degrees Celsius. Basically, you can use them almost anywhere in Russia too. So they're perfect, and luckily they have a lot of sizes and 30% off for the boots. So what do you think about this toy?
Toy?
The rod.
I mean, these are the classic, but these sets are a little bit overall. Catch a little bit bigger fish, it's not a problem.
How much are they?
About 800 for these.
Yeah, all of the fishing stores have already prepared for the winter fishing. They took away almost everything for the other seasons, and they keep everything for the ice fishing. So what is this for? What is this for? Ismet soppshällare aluminium.
That's just to hold
The rod?
yeah.
Oh. So what about these? Why are they in the bucket?
Oh,
369.
these are actually okay. It's very stiff compared to those, because when you want to fish for perch, you can't feel much. The tip is stiff.
So it's good bed?
What? No, it's just maybe for like a, what do you call it? Yeah,
Pike.
pike. Might be for pike. Suitable for pike. It's actually, I do like the reel. It's not as plastic as the other ones. But it's very stiff. So if you look at this, feel the tip. So you will, if they're nibbling, you can still feel it. And it's yellow, so it means that you can see the yellow. Because once it gets cold, you want basic stuff. Not flimsy or plastic.
But maybe they use plastic because metal can freeze and...
It's fine.
So this is the brand that the guy made from Scooter?
No, that's the steam.
But this is Svartzonker.
Yeah, it's Rappala around. Svartzonker is a guy that made, he's famous for being the best pike fisher in Sweden, or maybe in the world. So he has his own little.
Is this American? Strike Pro?
Yeah, probably.
Sounds very American. This one looks like the one we lost. It's the small one. But this is the big one.
Yeah, that's a flat tail or whatever it's called. I think I like those. You can fish them very slow if you want. Now, if they're cold in the water, you might really slow it.
Show me a new toy.
It's not a toy, it's a tool for survival. It's the only way to eat this way.
Hej då. So what can we catch with this rod?
Perch, smaller pike, trout.
Can we catch salmon?
We don't have salmon in the lakes usually.
Oh yeah, that's true. I'm so stupid. So what should we say for good fishing, for good luck?
We say shit fish. Shit fishing is a
Okay,
fisk.
skitfiske. Skitfiske.
It's garbage fishing.
I like the colors.
Yeah, maybe
They're
you
bright.
Have this one. We'll buy another. Or maybe I will buy the same.
More expensive.
No. 800.
How much is this?
800, but that's the point.
Oh yeah, 830% off. Okay, I like my new rod. Together with these super cool snow boots, they withstand like -60, right?
At least -30.
Okay, at least -30.
Celsius degrees.
Yeah,
Degrees
Celsius. So it's like perfect. Now I will not freeze at all. It's starting to look like Christmas. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Merry Christmas, Dusha. Christmas gifts. Okay, let's check the prices. So half fingers gloves, 129 kronas. So it's like $13 each. 2 pairs. The boots, 1,400 kronas each pair, and it is basically $140. And as you can see, my normal size is 37, and I had to pick size 40 because 39 is good with normal socks, but if you want to wear with woolen socks, you need to size up even more. So it's +3 sizes for me and +2 sizes for my husband. And fishing rod was how much? Almost 800, 799 with 30% discount. It is 559 kronas, or it is, we can say, $56. Okay. And also the boots and the gloves, everything was also with the 30% discount. So Sweden is expensive and cold, but let's hope this purchase would last us for many years. Yeah. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed our little fishing trip to the store, and you see the boots are still there, so we're not lying. They're really with us with all the receipts. Thank you guys for staying with us, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.